That's a foul, ref. Come on,
What is he doing? But what is he doing though?
Holding.
But the foul's right in front of you, ref.
Come on, boys. Don't let them get one back.
Holding has been a bit sloppy now.
Do not foul. Do not foul.
Oh,
Keep up.
Well done.
Run! Give me that! Oh! Give that immediately! That's my problem! Just run it quickly!
Does this happen every week?
Just run it down quickly! That's where Martinez.
You got to control that.
Ball.
That's the DT chair now.
We're winning 2-0, bro.
Yeah! Quicker! It's not a safe result. 2-0 is not a safe result.
Oh.
Roll it!
Just roll it.
Listen,
roll it.
Xhaka has made more forward pass. Xhaka has made more forward pass in this game than he's
That's right.
In the box. Nigerian boy. Put his right foot.
Sit down.
Put his right foot. Go ball.
Watch this goal.
Go ball.
Watch out.
Boom. Come on. Stop it. Give it. Boom. Go ball.
What, you think he meant that?
He meant that, yeah.
He meant that, yeah.
No, he didn't mean that.
Go.
He didn't mean that. He didn't mean that. But do you know what?
Whether he meant that or not, Saka.
Boom. Big. Listen, boss. You know what? Yeah. Robbie, DT, stay a yard. Stay a yard.
As boys say, stay at home. Stay at home.
Who said that?
Look at Saka.
What a goal.
This is a new formation.
Stay there. Don't stay there.
No.